Auto-downloading media files on Telegram has its drawback. The biggest issue is that the auto-download will download any media file, even sensitive content. Auto-download also drains data faster. You can stop it anytime you like. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to stop auto-download in Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. On the Settings page, tap on Data and Storage. Under Automatic Media Download, move the toggle bar to left of all option. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to stop auto-download in Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.